people that it's not easy to study law. Some people just think that no be just to read book. It pass like that. Law is not like other disciplines. And I tell people that, look, no branch of law stands completely alone, that you can focus solely on that branch without digressing. You must digress. That is why no lawyer speaks straight. You cannot speak straight. And that is also why you look at laws. Laws are not one-way traffic. You can just be reading a law. It is going to that digress more. If it's not giving you provided, it is giving you notwithstanding, other than, giving you languages that make you to pause and look elsewhere. So you may be talking about one particular principle of law in one branch, but you will need something, information in another branch to substantiate that principle that you're talking about. Let me tell you something. Sometimes, okay, let me just say, like, casting my mind back as undergraduates, when we are studying the law of contract, you just discover that, okay, there are different types of contract. They give you formal, written, that oral, those under seal. But do you know that if you look at the Black's Law Dictionary, there are several types of contracts that people practice in reality. These are different types of contracts. Different types. When you look at the Black's Law Dictionary, you will see up to 40-something types. What is 40-something? 50-something, 60-something, 70-something, 80-something. You're seeing up to almost 89 types of contracts that people can actually make. That is it. And you are talking about being a business lawyer. Let me tell you something. Now, this is commercial. This is commercial law. Still under this commercial law, there are different types of contracts. There are different types of contracts. There are the ones that, the way commercial law has presented it, there are some that are customary types of contracts. Now, it is moving away from that one. You now see some other ones that are what? Under the general law. You also have contracts that are under the general law. Okay? Now, you say you want to be a business lawyer. You don't know the rules governing commercial transactions. This is one. Generally, the principles. Here, this is where you talk about agency. That's where you talk about bills of exchange. Talk about buying and selling. Now, this is the Sale of Goods Act. You are still talking about for somebody who is practicing law as a commercial lawyer. Because you must read it. It is not easy. You're talking about Companies and Allied Matters Act. Companies, law regulating companies. This is just one aspect of the law. And it does not also mean that because you are just doing one, you're trying to narrow yourself to one aspect of the law, that you will not know your laws of evidence. You will not know your laws of criminal proceedings. You will know it because the law has also provided for criminal activities, offenses relating to business world. You will know. So it is not easy. This is copyright. You are talking about those in the entertainment industry. They're not there to do business. They're not there to make money. They're interacting in the business world. So you must also know it. This is patent and design. You must know. This is just for somebody who wants to tell himself that, okay, I am just trying to see how I can carve a niche for myself. You will know it. This is what? Law of tort. You will also know it. Because there are sometimes that even a company's act or an officer of a company can do an act that amount to negligence. What are you going to do? You will know it. This is only a few. Okay, what about you in the business world? You're a business lawyer. You are a commercial lawyer. How about those that have to do with cyber security? I have materials of that. Data protection. You will know. You have to know. So it is not easy to be a lawyer. Actually, I just say on a thing just go and sit down and read book. It is not easy to be a lawyer. You see that wig, that gown is not easy. Even if the person is not using it, it is not still easy to be a lawyer. and then you're not practicing that law. My dear, it is not easy to practice law. You have to know a lot of things. Although a prominent lawyer has said that God forbid that one man should know all the laws. But in reality, actually, you know a lot of laws. Well, I want to try to respect us more. It's not easy. I want to try. We're going to try to respect us. I want to try. No easy. No easy.